Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Finance Tube. This is your finance guru Vishal Thakkar once again, bringing you the most relevant topics in the present time and in present space. So we have Sachin here in our studios today. Hey Sachin.
Hey, hi Vishal. I've started a new e-commerce venture and we're gonna make it big. So can you just explain me what's venture capital?
Okay Sachin, so that's what we're going to explain, what venture capital is in today's videos. Why don't you have a seat? So let's understand what venture capital is. Venture capital, or popularly what we call as VC, is a big pool of money. VC comprises of funds which invest in startups with the hope that the startups will grow and they will share the profits with venture capitalists. But hold on, they are not here to just share profits. What they do is they enter at a particular valuation and they exit at a higher valuation. But before we go to the valuation bit, it is very essential to understand how a VC firm is structured. The entire pool of money is not just put in by the VC manager. What VC managers do, they put a very small amount of money into this kitty. Then where does the balance money come from? The balance money comes from hedge funds, pension funds. There is also something called as fund of funds. But the largest chunk of money is contributed by what we called as limited partners or LPs. All of these people, apart from the active fund managers, contribute money. Whereas the active fund manager is responsible for evaluating startups and give a green signal on whether they would like to put money on a particular venture or no. So, it is very important to understand who the fund manager is, what kind of fund he is running, because these VCs are created for specific purpose or for specific geographies or for specific sectors. So, before you go and ask for money from a VC partner or a VC manager, it is very essential for you to know what was his last round, how is the fund structure, how much money would he be willing to part with when it comes to your venture. These are few small but very critical things which will ensure that your venture gets appropriate funding. More on venture capital and exciting concepts in finance. Subscribe to our channel, Finance Tube.
So I give you 35 after 2 months, but you're going to give me 5,000 now.
Yeah.
Okay, you have a deal.
Cool.
So what was going on in here? They were exchanging a mobile phone, but the fellow who was selling the phone, he said, I will give it to you only after 2 months.